To log into Time Tracker for SME on your computer, open Firefox, Chrome, or Safari browser. Or you can open the browser on your phone. Go to m.highfivesoftware.com and log in. Select the Time Tracker application. Once you're in the Time Tracker, you will see a date at the top of the Daily tab. With today's date selected, you can add time for today. If you need to add time for yesterday, you could use the back arrow to select yesterday. For this example, we will use today's date. The next thing you will do is select the order you need to add time to. You can type in the search field to find the order by order number, customer name, or summary of the order. You can also click the magnifying glass to open the order selection window and scroll through your orders to select. Once the order is selected, you can add time. What we are looking at here is the standard layout where you can either enter time using a timer or by manually adding time. Your administrator may hide the manual entry, so your login might look a little bit different. Let's add time using the timer. Click the Start button and let the timer start running. When you are done working, come back to the Time Tracker app and click Stop. You will see the start and end time entered. You can adjust the start time, end time, or hours. You can also adjust the service item. In this example, I can change to take the time for travel. Your list of service items will be different for your login depending on what your company has set up. If you make a change to the time entry, make sure you click the checkbox. When the entry turns green, that's your indication that the change was saved. You can click the More button to add expenses or a description of the work done during the time. I'll enter a quick description of the work completed and a parking expense. Click Set. Depending on your company's business process, you may or may not be required to fill out this information. So far, we added time to a service order using the timer. You can also manually add time. First, make sure you are on the correct day at the top, then select the work order. Click Add Entry. A line will display for you to enter your start and end time. You could also enter your start time and then enter the hours, and the end time will be calculated for you. Adjust the service item as needed. You can click More to enter the description of work or expenses. Click the checkbox to enter your time. The line will turn green indicating it has been entered. Depending on your business process, you might be required to submit your time for a weekly review. To submit your time, you need to click the Weekly tab at the top. Make sure you are on the correct week using the date field here. On this page, you will see a new section which shows all the time you have entered. The Submitted section shows all the time you submitted. To submit your time, expand the New section. Here you can review the time you entered this week. If you need to edit any of the time, click into the field and enter the correct number of hours. Make sure you click out of the field and then click the checkbox. When the line turns green, that indicates your change was saved. Click Submit at the bottom to move your time entry to the Submitted section. Your supervisor will be able to see all your submitted time and either approve the time or reject the time. If your time is rejected, the time will appear in your New section again.